wire, and this is the towel, and this is what we're doing today. We're gonna do this and connect it to this and that, and then this one goes like boom, 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 and yeah, this is awesome.
So over the week, my order from Jegs came in, so I got some new plug wires to replace the ones on the Z. So I'm allowed to do small incremental repairs. So this is the first thing. Step one in the long road of recovery for the Z is to actually get it running. So the first thing to do to be able to get it running is to replace the spark plug wires that the rats where it was parked ate. So you can see the loveliness that they left me. I think I'll actually only have a couple of wires that are still connected. So for those who don't know, inside the Z is a Chevy 350 double hump head with a 4-barrel, of course. But anyway, very fun car. So anyway, as you can see too from the last video when we had it dropped off, in that time did a lot of vacuuming out of the insides. Of course, there's still lots of stuff I got to get to there, but I can't do it in the driveway. Kind of got to get it power washed or whatever. And then also one of the other things we did was we actually vacuumed out the inside. Still grungy a little bit, but
a lot better.
But it's a lot better than what it was. There's about a pound of dirt in this thing. So slowly coming along. The only bad thing is I lost the key to the car. So I got a cool new keychain with a Z on it, and I've got a picture somewhere. I'll put it up here maybe. But anyway, I got a cool new key for the Z, and unfortunately it's the original key and it's gone missing. But I've been searching for it in vain. Someone just keeps laughing at me for me saying I have Alzheimer's for losing stuff, so she's not really helping me find anything. So we have that. So
I can't even find my other cell phone, dude.
So the fun thing is we'll have the plug wires plugged up, but the bad thing is we're not going to know if it runs or not because, well, I don't have the key to it. I didn't go all out, but I did get 8 millimeters. So usually you don't want to, the bigger the millimeter, the more spark it can carry. You can do a higher volt. And with these old engines, that it's always a good thing. So usually I go with 8.8s, but the price was right on the 8s. So I went with that. And I also went with the red ones. So that's the distributor wire, of course, the smallest. And comes with looms, but I already have some that are on the valve cover. And then it's actually got numbers for the wires, which is kind of neat. So I'll put those on.